We have logged in Office 365 and we're in the Teams class, as you can see. Now I want to show you what a joint adventure in a SharePoint website looks like. There you go. You click on SharePoint, and whenever we give you a link to a SharePoint, either via email or in the Teams class, then it's easy if you click on the blue star, then you follow this SharePoint, which makes it easier for you to find all the joint adventures that we're going to use. Now, all classes, 6 TSO, English, 5 TSO, the vocational directions, they all have a SharePoint that is linked to the Teams class. So when you go to the Teams class, when you click on Introduction page, then it will give you this very same SharePoint website. Now, in this team site, you have very short what a joint adventure is. It's a project, an educational adventure that you undertake in teams of 2 or 3 students, and then you discover more about a topic. We study vocabulary, we study grammar, but you also undertake a project together. So except for tests and examinations, you can always work in teams. There are also, as you can see, integrated tasks, which means that you will have to listen, read, write, speak using vocabulary and grammar all in one. We think independent learning is very important, and that's why we work with SharePoint Joint Adventures, because then you can show us what you can do. In this team site, you can also find the links to joint adventures and the study guides, grammatical topics. The first task is a scavenger hunt. And in the news section, we always add the new SharePoints, new joint adventures, new things to study, Microsoft Forms to fill out, etc. So when you go to your own SharePoint, you click on the 9 dots, click on SharePoint, going to install it later. And then, for example, when we click on a task, this is a second chances task, you will always have an overview of different tasks. There is an explanation how to use this website. Deadlines will be given. There's always steps from 0 up to 5. Please read the instructions very carefully. If necessary, there are always instruction videos which you can find in Stream. Very often at the end of the joint adventure, there is a Microsoft form in which we ask for feedback, and we ask what you have learned. So then it's time to review what you have studied and what you have learned. This is what a SharePoint website looks like.